Hello, Chef here once again. Another quick video for you. Your lesson for today is going to be strawberry and banana garnishes. So here we go. Begin with a nice banana, and we're going to be using the garnishing tools for this. Hopefully by now you have a set of these babies, and if not, you better get them. Here we go. Couple of tools I'm going to be using here today. Heart scoop, strawberry core. Very carefully open up this banana, and once you open your banana, quite often I will work with it and leave some of the yellow on the bottom. Gives you a little bit of a base. Alright, so banana hearts, here we go. Heart-shaped scoop. Let's try it on a strawberry. Well, a little bit better. Let's put one of these hearts in the strawberry. Does that look like a heart to you? I don't know. Try a core. Just a simple core is nice. Working with these berries. You can quickly remove the tops, and that gives you a spot if you want to stuff it or do something else. One more tool here. This is just a small carving knife. Pretty cool. These little tools are nice here. You can pick these up in the garnishing sets on the website there. Visit the sponsor. So there you go, a quick flower. Put that baby in there for now. That's pretty cool looking. Okay, a couple of the garnishes I made here. Give you one more. Simple strawberry. Remove the top off like this, and then use your knife and start with just a cross pattern like this. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. Once again here, selecting a cutting board. This is Edge Grain Rock Maple. And moving right along here, this one here is End Grain Rock Maple. They're both really, really nice. And you can select these based upon size, thickness, dimensions, weight, movability, finger handles, big heavy block, not going anywhere. So check it out, support your sponsor right there. Have a wonderful day.